Imagine having a full team of AI specialists, a product manager, an architect, an engineer, a data analyst, even a researcher, all working for you 24/7, building apps, websites, or dashboards exactly the way you want. No coding, no delays, just pure execution. That's exactly what MGX, Meta GPTX, delivers. It's a multi-agent AI platform that takes your ideas in plain English and turns them into production-ready applications. And here's the best part. I've dropped the official link to mgx.dev right in the description so you can try it out yourself after watching this tutorial. MGX works like a real software team. You describe your requirements in natural language, what features you want, who your target users are, and what AI capabilities you need. From there, MGX assigns tasks to its agents. The AI team leader organizes the work. The product manager translates your idea into requirements. The architect designs the technical structure. The engineer codes it. The data analyst validates and optimizes. Within minutes, you get a fully functional app, website, blog, shop, game, analytics dashboard, anything you can imagine. With this new release of MGX, things get even more exciting. Two major updates change the game completely. Deep Research Agent Iris, a context-aware research powerhouse. It doesn't just search, it analyzes trends, synthesizes insights, and even transforms them into reports, websites, or presentations. Race mode. Instead of generating one possible output, MGX now generates multiple solutions in parallel, evaluates them, and gives you the best options to choose from. So you're no longer relying on one shot. You get quality and variety, just like having multiple expert teams racing to build the best product. Here's what MGX can do, step by step. 1. Multi-agent workflow. Specialized AI agents collaborate like a real dev team. Example, you say, I need a fitness tracking app with workout logging and AI-based recommendations. The team leader delegates tasks, the architect builds the structure, the engineer codes it, and the analyst makes sure it works smoothly. 2. Natural language to full-stack app. Just describe your app in plain English, including back-end needs, and MGX generates the full application. Example, build me an e-commerce store with Stripe payments and inventory tracking. MGX delivers a working shop with payments ready. 3. Deep Research Agent Iris. This new agent takes research to the next level. Example, say you're exploring electric vehicles. Iris collects industry data, competitor insights, market share details, then produces a professional report website with charts and summaries you can share. 4. Race mode, parallel coding from multiple agents. Example, if you're building a crypto tracker app, MGX generates several different versions in parallel. You instantly get to pick the best performing one instead of relying on trial and error. 5. Superbase integration. Now, every project has a secure backend. Example, want to build a weather app? Connect a weather API key and MGX automatically sets up a live, secure dashboard with real-time updates. Let's walk through one real case so you can see how simple it is. Go to mgx.dev and create a free account. Choose a template. In this demo, I'll pick a crypto tracker dashboard. In natural language, I tell MGX, build me a real-time crypto tracker that pulls live prices from CoinGecko and gives me a market sentiment analysis. MGX agents get to work. Iris fetches financial data and interprets sentiment. The architect sets up structure. The engineer codes the front end and back end. I connect a simple API key for live price updates. Preview and test inside MGX. I see the dashboard update live with crypto prices and sentiment reports. Deploy anywhere. With one click, I can publish the dashboard online and share it with my team. And just like that, I've gone from an idea to a fully functional app in minutes. Beyond dashboards, people are already building business tools, automated competitor research and ROI reports, academic workflows, literature reviews and draft outlines in under 10 minutes, content creation, blog posts, scripts, and social media strategies auto-generated, e-commerce stores, shops with Stripe integration, product databases, and automated order handling, games and apps, from interactive quizzes to simple mobile games. MGX lowers the barrier to entry for everyone, whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or creator. So to recap, MGX isn't just another AI tool, it's like having an entire software team working for you 24/7. With the new deep research agent Iris and race mode, plus Superbase integration for secure backends, you can go from idea to working product faster than ever. If you're ready to try it yourself, the link to mgx.dev is right in the description. Make sure to hit like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and drop a comment telling me what kind of app you'd want to build with MGX.